Imagine stepping into Tivoli Gardens, one of the world's oldest amusement parks. Picture the excitement of the rides, the variety of games, and the vibrant entertainment. As evening falls, the park transforms into a wonderland of lights, casting a magical glow that brings the entire park to life. Picture yourself by the waterfront, beholding the iconic Little Mermaid statue. A symbol of Copenhagen, this statue is a tribute to the fairy tale by Hans Christian Andersen. It's a captivating sight that has drawn countless tourists and locals alike. Next, visualize a stroll down Nyhavn. This colorful harbor is a lively hub with historic buildings, restaurants, and bars lining its sides. A boat tour from Nyhavn offers an unforgettable perspective of the city's beauty. The National Museum of Denmark is a treasure trove of Danish cultural history. From Viking artifacts to modern Danish design, the museum offers a fascinating journey through time. Rosenborg Castle, a Renaissance masterpiece, houses the Danish crown jewels. Tour the beautifully preserved rooms and explore the castle gardens, each step taking you further back in time. The Round Tower, or Rundetårn as locals call it, offers panoramic views of Copenhagen. Picture yourself climbing to the top and being rewarded with a stunning cityscape. Art lovers would appreciate the National Gallery of Denmark, or SMK. Home to an extensive collection of Danish and international art, the gallery features works by renowned artists like Rembrandt, Picasso, and Matisse. Meanwhile, Christiansborg Palace stands with grandeur, housing the Danish Parliament, Prime Minister's office, and the Supreme Court. A tour around the palace and a view from the tower give an insight into the city's political history. The Copenhagen Opera House, a marvel of modern architecture, stands proudly on the waterfront. Whether you attend a performance or simply admire the building's design, it's an experience worth having. The David Collection showcases a diverse range of Islamic, European, and Danish art collections, with its impressive Islamic art pieces being particularly noteworthy. One of the oldest zoos in Europe, the Copenhagen Zoo, offers a delightful experience for families and animal enthusiasts, with its variety of animals and exhibits. Finally, the Black Diamond, the modern waterfront extension to the Royal Library, is a sight to behold. Explore the exhibitions, peruse the library, and take a moment to appreciate the stunning architecture. So why is Copenhagen a must-visit city? It's the rich history, the vibrant culture, the stunning architecture, and the diverse attractions. It's a city that invites you to explore, discover, and create unforgettable memories. Come, experience Copenhagen.